What is?
Oh, this is our rainwater harvesting system.
Huh? Rainwater harvesting?
Let me tell you more about it. So, we collect water from these roofs into these tanks, and then we filter it tank by tank, and then we get this clean water from our rain.
Back in my village, clean water is still a problem. Some people drink whatever water they can find. And because the water isn't always safe, people get sick. I have seen how much it affects families. That's why I need to know.
But isn't water really safe to drink?
We don't just assume that it is safe. We test it. Come on, let me show you. So we're gonna test the pH with this. It shows that the pH is 6.84, so it is safe to drink. The EC is 20 centimeter. The TDS level shows 10 ppm. The temperature is 28.2 degrees Celsius.
So we can actually check the water quality, right?
We can collect our data in the Skyfall app. So here, I'm gonna record the data. So our pH is 6.86, temperature is 25, and EC is 20. Our TDS is 10. The water condition is good, and maintenance condition is good. Then we can save it.
So, can I learn how to do this?
Of course, that's what BTS is doing.
Then, I want to try.
Our water level is 104 centimeters. And the water meter stress is 65 meters. Now it's your turn to measure the pH.
Why do we know this?
One day, this knowledge me of someone who needs clean water.